Hello children, how are you all? Hope are fine at home and enjoying your online classes. I Gunjan Tamboli, your computer teacher for second standard, and my today's topic is lesson number 2, working with Windows. Children, now in this chapter we will learn about how to start the computer, then different parts of desktop, taskbar, operating system, how to shut down your computer, etc. Okay children, so we will start our video with steps to start a computer. Now how to start the computer? There are 4 steps that we already learned in the classes also. First step is, children, switch on the power button. Okay children, the second step is turn on the UPS by pressing the power button. Third step, switch on the CPU by pressing the power button. And the fourth step is switch on the monitor by pressing the power button. Children, to start a computer, you have to follow these 4 steps. Okay, after this, your computer will start. Now, this is a children logo of Windows 7. Okay, children. Now, operating system. Okay, children. What is operating system? The definition is operating system controls how different parts of the computer work together. Okay children, operating system क्या करता है? Control करता है different parts of the computer को. Then Windows is an operating system that runs on your computer. Sorry, Windows is an operating system that runs your computer. Means Windows की वजह से आपका कंप्यूटर रन होता और वर्किंग होता है. So Microsoft Windows has different version, like your mobile having different versions, your bike, car having different versions. Same way Windows having different version. First is Windows XP, Windows Vista, then Windows 7, then Windows 8. Okay children. And children, Windows 10 is the latest operating system. Okay children, see, it is a Windows 10 operating system. Now, starting a window. When you switch on a computer, all its parts are checked and you hear a beep sound. Then the operating system is loaded into computer's memory from its hard disk. Children, जब आप कंप्यूटर स्विच ऑन करते हो, ओके, सारे पार्ट्स उसमें चेक होते हैं. देन यू विल हियर अ लिटिल बिट बीप साउंड. ओके, देन योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम is loaded in the computer's memory from its hard disk. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ही फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम है जो हार्ड डिस्क में से लोड होता है व्हेन यू स्टार्ट द कंप्यूटर. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड बूटिंग. स्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड बूटिंग. ओके चिल्ड्रन. देन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट द कंप्यूटर, द विंडोज लुक्स लाइक दिस वे. स्टार्टिंग विंडोज. ओके चिल्ड्रन, ऐसी स्क्रीन आपको शो करेगी वंस यू स्टार्ट द कंप्यूटर. Then after the starting the computer, you will see this type of window. The desktop is the first screen you see after booting. Means children, after the booting process you will get this type of screen. It is called desktop. Okay children, the blue background वाला जो है ना, that is called पूरा desktop है. Okay. Then a desktop having different parts. Okay, like a start button, taskbar, see the icons. Okay, understand children? Different parts of the desktop. Now different pictures are seen in the background of the desktop. These pictures are known as the desktop background. See, like your mobile having desktop background wallpaper है ना, same way you can change your background in the computer also. Okay, desktop की background आप change कर सकते हो. See, different pictures are seen in the background of the desktop. These pictures are known as the desktop background. You can see the different types of pictures. Okay, see here Windows 7's picture. Now the next is children, taskbar. Okay, children, the taskbar is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, and we can say the taskbar is the blue bar at the bottom of the desktop. Why blue? Because it shows blue color. Okay, children. Then see on the taskbar, the start button is available on the left side. Quick launch icons is available on the middle. The in the right side notification area is there and clock is available. Okay, children. Now see the picture of start button. Okay, the start button present on the extreme left of the taskbar. Okay, children, as the name suggests, you can start or begin working on a computer by clicking on this button. Children, if you want to open any program or any application, you must have to click on the start button. Okay, then when you click on the start button, it opens a menu or a list. This is called start menu. Okay, children, once you click on the start button, a menu or list will open. It is called start menu. You can see the different programs here. Okay, my computer also, control panel also, documents are there. You can open any program or application from here. Keep track of your windows. The middle section of the taskbar shows the program and document that have been opened. Children, uh, left side on the taskbar left side is a start button available and the right side is notification area and clock is available. And the middle area you can see the whatever program or document will open, you can see there. Now, notification area. Notification area is on the right side of the taskbar. It contains small icons that give information about the running program in the computer. For example, battery life, sound, date and time, etc. Suppose if you have insert any pen drive, then it will show here also. Then the children icons. See a small pictures है ना on the desktop. The small pictures on the desktop are the icons. The icons are used to open any programs by double clicking on it. Okay, children, when you double click on any icon, that particular icon or program will open. Some common icons on the desktop are computer, network, recycle bin icon. Okay, children, these are the common icons. Now, here we will see the steps to shut down a computer. Step 1. With the help of the left click on the mouse, click the start button on your desktop. Once you click on the start button and the start menu will open. Step 2. Click on the shutdown option in the start menu. See the right side, shutdown is written there. You have to click on it. Okay. Then children, the third step, switch off the monitor by pressing the power button. Fourth step, switch off the UPS by pressing the power button. And the fifth step is switch off the power button. This way you can turn off your computer. Thank you children. Have a nice day.